Oh hey, didn't see you there. My name's Vince with our Ultra Arctic Zone original lunchbox. Are you tired of your lunch dropping on the floor and getting smushed? Well, no more. Say hello to Ultra Arctic Zone original lunchbox, established in 1986, original, now available in Costco. With our groundbreaking lunchbox technology, we have decreased the impulse with which your lunchbox and subsequently your food hits the ground. This was achieved by increasing the amount of material between your food and the ground through bulkier design. Look at how thick that edge is. Thick. For example, take this ordinary glass. You may be thinking, dang, that glass was demolished. But lo and behold, she's pristine. Not a crack. Now you may be thinking, will this make my lunchbox bulkier? Yes, but will it make it heavier? No way, because we are lifting the fear of squashed food from your shoulders. Well, you may be thinking now, Zoinkies, I'm convinced, but I'm just not sure. Don't worry, pal. We at Ultra Arctic Zone original lunchboxes, established 1986, have got you covered. Check out some of our satisfied customers. Hey kid, watch out! My gosh, are you all right?
Did God send me this lunchbox? It's so heavenly.
So call today at 1-800-ULTRAFINE lunchboxes to get your premium Ultra Fine lunchbox.